Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 204 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. This bill is largely intended to achieve this object. I now turn to explain briefly some of the amendments before the House. It is proposed to amend Section 23 of the Act to widen the scope of the business which the corporation may transact. The corporation is at present authorized to guarantee loans floated by industrial concerns in the public market, but not loans raised by such concerns from banks. It seems but proper that facilities should be provided in suitable cases for industrial concerns to secure bank accommodation on the guarantee of the corporation. Again, the corporation now can guarantee deferred payments for import of capital goods from outside India, but it cannot guarantee deferred payments in respect of capital goods manufactured inside the country. It seems desirable to extend the scope of guarantee of deferred payments to the purchase of indigenous capital goods also. There has been a demand from business circles that the corporation should have powers to guarantee credit arrangements made by Indian industrial concerns with foreign institutions like the Export Import Bank of the USA. It is proposed to meet this demand by authorizing the corporation to guarantee loans in foreign currency subject to the prior approval of the central government. Under the existing charter, the corporation is empowered to underwrite the issue of stocks and shares, etc., by individual concerns, but is precluded from subscribing directly to such issues. In the context of rapid industrial development of the country, industrial concerns in the private sector have to raise large amount of capital. It is felt that with the association of an institution like the Industrial Finance Corporation, industrial concerns will be in a position to raise more capital with relative ease, reducing thereby their dependence on the corporation for direct loan assistance. It is therefore proposed to amend the Act to permit the corporation to enter this new field of direct subscription to capital issues. The grant of long-term loans to industrial concerns still continues to be the most important business of the corporation. These loans carry only a fixed rate of interest for the entire period, where a venture which has received a sizable loan from the corporation makes very large profits and declares handsome dividends. It seems quite reasonable that the corporation can share in the prosperity of the concern. To achieve this purpose, it is proposed to make it permissible for the corporation to conclude, in suitable cases, loan arrangements containing the option to convert loans, etc., granted by it into share capital of the loanee concern.